PYXA is a DIY game console. PYXA comes as an all-inclusive do-it-yourself kit, allowing users to build their game console and create their own video games whilst learning about coding. During the assembly, users will get familiar with components of a game console and explore their functions. Assembly is fairly simple, as it doesn't require any tools or prior knowledge. Once done with the assembly, users can start coding with Arduino software. Our educational guide is aimed at beginners and will take you through every step of creating a video game. Alternatively, you can simply download the video games we have already created, upload them to your PYXA, and start playing. PYXA is a great way to learn about programming and game development. With PYXA, you can create your own video games from scratch, replicate any retro video game you like, or make a storytelling game by using actual images. Explore how a game console works, create your own video games, and share them with your friends. PYXA by Rokoko.
SwitchEcho is a 3-in-1 accessories for your Nintendo Switch, which is a portable speaker, a power bank, and a kickstand. SwitchEcho incorporates 2 powerful speakers to pump out nearly 3 times louder volume than the original console. With our SwitchEcho, you'll get 3 times more excitement for the group battles. SwitchEcho spices up the gaming sound is ideal for your party games and face-to-face games when specific instructions are needed. SwitchEcho has a built-in battery that provides 8,000 mAh of juice to charge your Nintendo Switch. It allows you to take your Nintendo Switch anywhere without the worry of running out of battery. It also comes with a standard USB charging port that enables you to charge your Nintendo Switch and other smart devices at the same time. An extra power bank is now a thing of the past. It has an improved kickstand that offer exceptional stability. It also offers multiple viewing angles that suits your plays. It's compact, it's light, it's travel friendly, and it's really thin. It fits easily into a small bag. Enjoy your mobility. Sound and choose SwitchEcho.
This is Michael. Michael loves high precision. His company is involved in high precision grinding and honing. Such a high level of accuracy can only be achieved with specialist high-end machinery. These machines are fully automated, and thus Michael has a lot of free time on his hands. Michael therefore has nothing else to do than wait. So he needs to find something to do to pass the time. Michael is a passionate RC modeler, and one day he discovered that he can fly model airplanes while he is waiting. Sort of. But he soon realized these games never really work properly on a tablet. You just don't get the right feeling. Michael is an inventor, and thus his imagination never sleeps. He can see things other people can't. The idea of the ScreenStick was born. However, just having an idea is not enough. You need skills, patience, imagination, and knowledge. Lots of planning and designing was necessary. Many ideas were rejected, and new solutions were found. Due to Michael's competence acquired through his job, he's able to design and develop components of the highest possible accuracy. Using the latest laser technology and some old-school turning, Michael has the skill set and the tools he needs in order to fabricate anything he imagines. A special material was needed in order to control sensitive touchscreens. Finally, the ScreenStick became a reality and was granted patent-pending status. The first ever functioning high-end sensitive joystick for touchscreens. Applications on your mobile device can now be controlled as precisely as you've always wanted. The ScreenStick can be used everywhere. It works fantastically. Michael now has so much fun. He even forgets what he should actually be doing. And if you don't want to fly, drive. Whatever you want to do. The ScreenStick can do it with absolute accuracy.
We have invented a unique sensor-based motion capture suit. We named it Salto. Our journey started at the National Film School of Denmark when we got an idea. We wanted to make live animation theater. Today, we call that concept Animotion. This is Anders. He's our original technical wizard, 3D modeler, and software programmer. He got the idea for Salto, our very own motion capture suit, built out of motion sensors like those you have in your smartphone. It's intuitive, it's mobile, but most importantly, the price of it makes it accessible to everybody. We want to allow others like us to play around and work with motion capture, like we wanted to do back when we started. We want to democratize motion capture, but we need your help. Here's how Salto works. The Salto sensor nodes are attached directly to the suit. The data from each sensor is collected by the hub and transmitted through Wi-Fi or cable to the computer or smart device. If you know how to put on your clothes, you'll know how to set up the Salto suit. We have used it for live animation theater shows for children, treatment of children who suffer from autism. You can use it for creating your own animated film and visual effect content, for gaming and integration with virtual reality. With Salto, you can engage and interact with your entire body in the virtual space, making the VR experience complete. For sports and medical analysis, live billboard advertising, or whatever else you want to do. We look forward to getting inspired by your ideas. We hope you'll be a part of our community and join the rest of the ScreenStick family. Back our project and help us democratize motion capture.
This is Leroy. No, not that one. Leroy is a gamer. Sometimes he wins. You win. Sometimes not. Oh, come on, Leroy. Don't be mad. Everyone loses. You just need to find something to give you an edge. Cue the loot box. Loot box! This is the Beacon, a wearable gaming device. Feel the power. Feel the power! Equipped with color-changing LED lighting and attached directly to the shoe or foot, the Beacon connects to the PC via Bluetooth and can be mapped freely. The Beacon works alongside your preferred peripherals in any game for more interaction at the same time. The Beacon links the motion of your foot to whatever keystrokes you would like. With 4 distinct motions, Leroy has immediate access to up to 24 additional hotkeys. Use it to pilot your ship, or to transform your character, or to change your stance and roll to the right, or to the left, or I guess roll back to the right, and then, come on Leroy, now you're just rolling around in the dirt. Let's get going. Want to keep your focus on movement and aiming? Use your foot to switch weapons. To reload, lean from cover, or anything you want. And thanks to the Beacon's 0-point calibration, you can play in whatever position you want, for tactics' sake, or simply to make your gaming more comfortable. The Beacon reduces mechanical fails and can trigger complex combos without the use of automation scripts or macros. The possibilities are endless.
You're saying I can map anything I want?
Of course you can. You can map any key for any game. You can... Oh, wait a minute. I see what you're doing here. Well played, Leroy. Well played.